Okay, the first page of this worksheet is actually really easy. We're going to be taking these factors, x equals 4 and x equals 3. We're going to turn them into factors, the roots. Take the roots, turn them into factors, and we'll take those factors and turn them into an equation. So I need to set both of these equal to 0. So I subtract the 4 over and I subtract the 3 over, and I get x minus 4 and x minus 3. And then for each of those factors, I put them on one side of the box, and then I multiply them together, and I get x squared minus 3x minus 4x and plus 12. And these two terms go together, the terms on that diagonal, and it simplifies down to x squared minus 7x plus 12. And then there are 4 questions you have to answer. What is the number in front of the x term? So what number is right there? 7. What is the sign of that number? Negative. What is the constant? Constant means something that doesn't change. So the constant would be the thing that doesn't have a variable on it. So it would be 12. And then what is the sign of the constant? Positive. And this is essentially the factoring challenge. What two numbers multiply to be positive 12 and add to be negative 7? And we're going to use that information in the next part to actually solve quadratic equations. So you need to go through and do the same thing for B and C and D. And then in the next video, we'll talk about how to do the next page.